This is the Barbershop Show.
It seems that people who are in charge of school administration, the downtown folks, and I'm not an educator, but they don't seem to get it. I mean, if you have things that work, wouldn't it make sense to say, okay, let's take some from this, some from that, some from this,
But I think it's
put it
finding.
together?
I think it's finding. The trick is finding what's working. If people don't know about her film and they don't know about these opportunities, then they won't know. But also, it takes somebody who's going to see the film and say, "Ooh, this is how to make it scalable." I don't know if there's any money in that, though.
No, but maybe perhaps a showing for all. How do you do that? The whole teachers and administrators in the system, take a look at this film and see if there's some ideas in here that you can use. Or will they say, that's just all about Dixon and Joan Chrysler. We have our own way of doing things. And certainly everybody does have a way of doing things, but incorporate that into what you do. Use some of that. Use some of what Marva Collins Prep does. Use some of what Urban Prep is doing, having all these young men who have been accepted to college. Every young man who graduated was accepted to at least one college or university, and that in Inglewood. And not the college and university in Inglewood, but all the young men are going to a school in Inglewood, and that's a major accomplishment.
Even for good schools.
You know?
So maybe we're making this too complex, Richard. Maybe it's just a matter of taking her films, putting it in a little package,
Okay.
and mailing it to the people who are doing the cultural plan, saying you need to make this scalable.
Okay.
They were open to public opinion.
Yeah, and if you don't look at it, we're coming to your house. It's got to be that. You know? What a wonderful idea.